Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. So last class I completed what is constructor overloading in Java and give an example for constructor overloading in Java. Now in this class also one more short answer question I will complete. That is state the difference between constructor and method. This is also one important short answer question for you. So first notes note down, then practically I will show each and every point. So note down all of you. First points. Constructor and method differences. First points. It is used to initialize the data members of a class, whereas method means method is a named block in Java, a set of statements or group of statements to perform a particular task. This is the first difference between constructor and method. This is the second difference. It does not have any return type, even void also. Constructor does not have any return type, even void also. If you are using any return type, then immediately it is indicating an error message. Whereas method may or may not have a return type. That means it will return a value. Next, third difference here. Constructor name should be same as class name. Either a class contains one or more constructors. If you are using any number of constructors inside a class, then you have to remember that that constructor name should be same as class name. Whereas any number of methods you are using inside a class, then method name should not be same as class name. Next point, sir. If you fail to create a constructor inside a class, then defaultly Java compiler creates a default constructor for you. In a program, in a class, if you fail to create at least one constructor inside a class, then Java compiler creates a default constructor. Next. Whereas in method, no default method is created by the Java compiler. This is also one difference between constructor and method. Next, see. Constructors are called when an object is created. That means constructors are invoked implicitly, whereas a method is invoked explicitly. Constructor cannot be declared as static or synchronized or abstract modifiers, whereas a method may be declared as a static, synchronized, public, private, etc. So these are the difference between constructor and method. So once you open your project, practical issue. So take the new class, for example, EX6. Difference between constructor and method. Object class EX6. Here declare the variables, any two variables. One constructor and one method. So total one method and one constructor I am using in this class. See, constructor, first difference what I told, it is used to initialize the data members of a class. Constructor is used to initialize the data members of a class. See, what are the data members here? You are using A and B of the type integer. So what is a constructor here? EX6. So initialize with any value. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. So it is used to initialize the data members of a class. These are the data members, initialization process. So next, method is a named block in Java. One or a group of statements to perform a particular task. See, for example, you are printing a value. So one or group of statements to perform a particular task. Or how to identify which is a method, which is a constructor means one more difference what I told, constructor name, whether one or multiple constructors you are using, that constructor name should be same as class name means in this class what is a constructor, what is a method, easy to identify. Constructor name should be same as class name. Whereas you see which is a method, this is a method. Method name should not be same as class name. This is one difference between constructor and method. For example, by mistake you give small letters like this, EX. If you are trying to compile, immediately it is indicating an error. See here, invalid method declaration. So how many constructors you are using inside a class? then you have to remember that that many constructors should be same as a constructor name, class name. Constructor name should be same as class name. So whereas method name should not be same as a class name. How many methods you are using? That many method name should not be same as class name. Next, one more difference I told. Constructor does not have any return type, even void also. See, if you are trying to compile, immediately it is indicating an error message. See, error. So constructor does not have any return type, even void also. Method may or may not have return type. Here we are using void. That means it will not return anything. Method may or may not have a return type. This is one difference between constructor and method. And one more difference I told you. Constructor, we are not allowed to use static modifier. Static modifier is not allowed. See, compare, if you are trying to execute, then immediately it is indicating an error message. Modifier static is not allowed here. Whereas method, you are allowed to use static modifier. You are allowed to use static modifier. For example, abstract or synchronize. Any modifier. See, modifier synchronized is not allowed here. So static synchronized are not allowed in constructor. Whereas in method, these all modifiers are allowed. This is also one difference between constructor and method. One more difference what I told. If you fail to create constructor inside a class, then defaultly Java compiler creates a default constructor, but default methods are not provided by the Java compiler. So this is the difference between constructor and method. So in this chapter, the list of questions what I explained, what you have to read is, see, note down once. What are the list of questions up to now I explained? What are the list of questions you have to read in this chapter, constructors? The first question, what is a constructor in Java? What is a constructor in Java? Next, what is the use of constructor? It is used to initialize the data members of a class. Constructor means constructing objects in Java. Constructor constructing objects in Java. It is called when an object is created. Use of constructor, it is used to initialize the data members of a class. Next, what is write the syntax and give an example for constructor. See, syntax I told in the last class, access specifier, access modifier, constructor name, and parameter list. You have to give example for constructor. Now, what are the different types of constructors are available in Java programming? There are two different types of constructors available. One is a default and one is a parameterized. The next question, what is a default constructor and give example? Default constructor means a constructor, no parameters are there. No parameters are there means that is a default constructor and you have to write example. Next, what is parameterized constructor? A constructor with parameters is called parameterized constructor. A constructor without parameters is called default constructor. A constructor with parameters is called parameterized constructor and you have to write example. Next question, what is constructor overloading in Java and give example. A class contains one or more constructors with a different parameter list is called constructor overloading. Those constructors names should be same as class name, but with a different parameter list is called constructor overloading in Java. So example, how I explained like that you have to write. And one more short answer question, state the difference between constructor and method. These are the list of questions in this chapter. Thank you.